In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to a Facebook page from PC in 2026, step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Once the site loads, log into the Facebook account that manages the page you want to post on. If your account manages more than one page, make sure you switch to the correct Facebook page before continuing. This is important so the video gets uploaded to the right place. After that, go directly to your Facebook page. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says photo/video or create post. Depending on how Facebook is displaying the layout for your account, you may see one of these options, but both will take you to the posting area. Click that option and then choose upload photos/videos. This will open your computer's file browser so you can select the video you want to upload, find the correct video file on your computer, click on it, and then click open. At this point, Facebook will begin uploading the video. Give it a little time to finish. The upload speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of the video file, so if the file is large, it may take a bit longer. It's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully processed before moving too quickly to the next part. Once the video is uploaded, enter a caption or description for your post. This is where you can explain what the video is about, add context for viewers, or include a short call to action if needed. You can also add hashtags, tags, or a location if you want to make the post more discoverable or informative. If Facebook gives you the option, choose a thumbnail for the video. The thumbnail is the image people will see before they click play, so selecting a clear and relevant frame can help your post look more polished. Next, click Audience to choose who can see the video. For example, you may want to set it to public if you want anyone to view it. Be sure to select the audience that matches your goal before publishing. If you don't want the video to go live immediately, click Schedule and choose the date and time you want the post to be published. This is useful if you're planning content in advance. When everything looks good, click Post or Publish. Your video will then be uploaded to your Facebook page and made live based on the settings you selected. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to your Facebook page from your PC.